No need to code anymore. To create a data input system from WhatsApp to Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets like this, just use n8n, import the template we provide and set up the credentials. Boom, the system is instantly ready and you can immediately input your data into Excel or Google Sheets very easily. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the Level Up ID channel. In this video, we will share with you how to create a data input system from WhatsApp to Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets using n8n. For those who don't know, n8n is a tool that we can use to create various types of automation very easily with minimal coding or even without any coding at all for fairly simple systems. And in this video, we will use n8n to create an automatic data input system from WhatsApp to Google Sheets or to Microsoft Excel as well. We've also provided templates for n8n both for Google Sheets and Excel. You just need to download them for free. The links are in the description of this video. And to use n8n, there are several ways we can do it. First, you can subscribe directly on the official website, although the price is quite expensive. And of course, there are limitations depending on the package you choose. Or secondly, you can use n8n for free by installing it yourself on your laptop or PC. You use Docker, but the downside of this system is that your laptop or PC has to stay on 24 hours if you want the system to run 24 hours. Or the third option, which we think is the most effective and efficient, is to install n8n on a VPS. So we can still use it for free without limits, and the system can also run 24 hours without needing a laptop or PC. We're always on guys, no need to wait any longer. Now let's move on to the first step, which is setting up the VPS and installing n8n. Okay guys, now we're going to go straight ahead and create a system to input data from WhatsApp to Excel using n8n. First, please download the n8n materials and free templates that we have provided. The links are in the description of this video. After you've downloaded it, just extract the file by right-clicking, selecting Extract All and then choosing Extract. Once it's extracted, let's minimize it for now guys. The next step, now we are going to set up the VPS that we'll be using. We're going to use Hostinger in this video because it's really easy to set up and use, especially for n8n. If you want to try it too, just click the link in the description to go to hostinger.com. और हम भी आपको कहा कि एक पैकेज चूज करेंगे, तो सिंपली सिलेक्ट करेंगे चूज के पैकेज जाना कोशिश करें. Guys, misi baka maganda itong specifications kayo dito for each package. For example, kakusudo tong KVM2, just select nitong package bito. After that, you can choose the duration you want. The cheapest one is here. If you choose 24 months, it's only 155,000 per month. So for 24 months, you'll pay around 4,155,000. If that's still too expensive, you can try the 12 months or 1 month option. For example, the 12-month price here is 2,400,000. If you want it even cheaper, just enter the coupon code UPN8N, then click app and you'll get a 10% discount here, so you can save about 200,000. You can also set the server here. We'll just choose Malaysia because it's the closest. Then you can also choose the operating system that supports VPS. The applications are also complete. Just choose according to your preference, and once you are done, just click continue. Then here आप लॉगिन कर सकते हैं आपके Google अकाउंट या फिर आप Hostinger अकाउंट गाइस. After logging in के बाद आपको चलेगा समझे मिलता था. You can choose the payment method you want to use. You can use a debit card, PayPal, credit card, several virtual accounts from some banks, QRIS, or maybe e-wallets like Dana or OVO. After the payment is completed, you just need to choose the time zone and select deploy here. Then we will go straight to the edge panel of Hostinger. Guys, yeah, please go straight to the VPS, then just select manage on the right side here. After that, choose view catalog and look for n8n here. Then select this n8n, just choose it. Then set the time zone and select deploy. Then we just need to wait for the process to finish. After it's done, n8n is now installed in Docker on our VPS guys. Yeah, you just need to choose open, then you can directly register for an n8n account. You just need to enter your email, your name, set the password, check here and choose next. After that, you can answer some questions here. Just answer them based on your own situation. Just choose get started. Then we just skip and select build the workflow. So now we are in n8n after installing it successfully. Because in this video, we are going to create a data input system from WhatsApp. That means we need a WhatsApp gateway. And we're going to use WaHA as the WhatsApp gateway because we can use it for free. Now we're going to directly install WaHA on our VPS. The way to install WaHA is very easy. You just need to open the notepad file that you extracted earlier. The one named install WaHA. Just open the file. After that, copy the command. The first one is to check the network name of n8n. Just copy it, then go back to Hostinger. Here select web console. After you enter, just right click and choose space, then press enter. And you can read the network name here. Just copy the network name, right click and copy. Then go back to the notepad and here you change the network name to the network name from Hostinger earlier. Delete the old one, then just press Ctrl+V. Next you can also change it here. For the WaHA API key, you can fill in whatever you want for the API key as long as the code is unique. If possible, make it long so it's not easily detected. आपनो confuse करवा यहाँ copy करने के में comment हो गई वा. Right click कोले copy करवा. Go to the terminal in Hostinger, right click, choose paste and just press enter. So यहाँ पर हम generate करते हैं API की बस WaHA का. तुम copy कर सकते हैं and फिर कोई API की बस save कर सकते हैं ताकि सबसे बाद मिलने guys. Also set the admin password for the WaHA dashboard. Later you can fill this in with anything as long as it's unique and not easy to guess. After you enter the API key and the password, just copy this command guys. Starting from Docker run up to here, right click, copy again. Go back to the terminal in Hostinger, right click and choose paste, then just press enter. And we wait for the WaHA installation process to finish. Once it's done, there will be a complete message like this and now we just need to access WaHA. Here's how. Open Notepad, then copy the command at the very bottom, do one for the WaHA dashboard, right click and copy, then open a new tab and just right click and paste. Replace the VPS IP here with your own VPS IP. Just go to Hostinger, select VPS at the bottom here and copy your IP address. From here guys, open a new tab again, just delete the VPS IP and replace it with your own VPS IP. For the port, kung gutakan tinya ba esma setpan ini comment prompt, di sub enter, tapar login kuna admin username at password. Adjust it according to what you created earlier, just sign in, after that select the dashboard and now we have entered WaHA. If you see a message like this, it means the API key is still not correct. You just need to select the edit worker menu here, then go to notepad and copy the API key you created earlier. Press Ctrl+C to copy, go back to WaHA, then paste the API key here by pressing Ctrl+V and then select save. So now the worker is already connected here guys. After we finish setting up WaHA, we will also connect our WhatsApp number to WaHA. But before that, you can also install WaHA on n8n so that it will appear as a node on n8n. Here's how. Select the settings menu at the bottom left, then choose community nodes, select install community node, click browse and just search for WaHA here. Then just copy the top one with Ctrl+C, go back to n8n, paste it here with Ctrl+V, check this box and select install to install WaHA on n8n. Guys, once you see a message like this, it means we've successfully installed WaHA. Now you just need to go back, then you can right click here, select add node and if you type WaHA, it will appear in n8n. The next step, now we're going to connect our WhatsApp number to WaHA. Just go to the WaHA dashboard and before that, we recommend not using your main WhatsApp number but just use a new WhatsApp number because your WhatsApp will later be turned into a bot. Yes, so we recommend once again to use another WhatsApp number, don't use your main WhatsApp number. After you get in here to connect your WhatsApp number, just select start new in the session section. For the server choose WaHA, then scroll down for the webhook. We'll set up the webhook later and here just select create. After that you can select start, then tick on the screenshot or QR section and you just need to scan this QR code with your WhatsApp. These steps are the same as scanning a QR code to log into WhatsApp web. After we've successfully connected our WhatsApp number with WaHA, the next step is to create a workflow in n8n according to our needs. As we mentioned earlier, you don't need to worry. You just need to import the n8n template that we've prepared prepared and that you've downloaded earlier. There are two templates here. The first is a system for importing WhatsApp data into Excel. If you use Microsoft 365, you can use this one, but if you don't have a Microsoft 365 account, it's better to use Google Sheets. To make this setup even easier, in this video we'll just use Google Sheets. So let's go to n8n. After that, click the three dots at the top right, then select import from file, choose the file and click open. Now the workflow will immediately look like this. The next step is to just set up the credentials for the Google Gemini model and also for Google Sheets. To do this, just double click on Google Gemini model, then select setup credentials. And हम आपको बा API की बा Gemini. जो देखे से आपन करते हो टैब, फिर पन टाइप करूँगा Gemini API की और प्रेस एंटर कर दो. After that, select Google AI Studio. Choose Get Started and log in using your Google account. After logging in, you just need to select the key icon on the left side here. Click here, then choose Create API Key and give your API key a name. For example, let's name it n8n. Then set the project to default like this and then select Create Key. Next, just copy the API key, go back to n8n and paste the API key here with Ctrl+V, then select Save. Now we've successfully added the credentials for the Google Gemini chat model. The next step is to set up the credentials for Google Sheets as well. Just go double click here, then select Setup Credential and here just copy the redirect URL. After that, open a new tab and type Google Cloud Console. Here look for console.cloud.google.com. Once you're in here, make sure you log in using the Google account where you saved your Google Sheet file. Later. After that, select a project and choose new project. Then give it a name, for example n8n input data. Then select create and next just choose select project here. Make sure the project here is correct and go to the API and services menu. After that, select library or search for Google Sheet. Here choose Google Sheet API, then enable. Select library again or search for Google Drive. Here choose Google Drive API or enable it as well guys. Next, select OAuth consent screen and choose get started for the app name. For example, we fill in n8n input data. For user support, enter your email, select next. For audience, choose external, select next. And for contact information, enter your email. Select next again, check here and choose continue. After that, select create. Then here you just need to choose create. For the auth client application type, choose web application and name it n8n input data. Scroll down and select add URL under authorized redirect URLs. Then enter the URL from n8n. Copy this one again, press Ctrl+V here and select create. Now we have the client ID and also the client secret. Just copy them, enter the client ID here and also copy and enter the client secret here. Then there was one thing we missed earlier. Go back to the Groot console, then go to audience, scroll down and go to test user, select add user, enter your email and select save. Select save again until your email appears here. Next, go back to n8n, scroll up and select sign in with Google. Just log in using your Google account, select continue. Check select all and choose continue. So now we have set up the credentials for the Google Sheet. You can close it and now if you select choose, the Google Sheet file will appear here. Guys, for example, let's go to Google Drive and create a new Google Sheet file. Then name it input data n8n. Then we'll create the header first like this. After that, go back to n8n and here we select the file. कभी ना अगर बना दखता क्लोज करता है तो डबल क्लिक रहा बे choose file और then select कर the file. For the sheet, here we will choose sheet 1 for mapping. We'll just choose the mode to map automatically and we are done setting up the Google Sheet. Guys, you can close it and now we just need to set up and enter the API key from WaHA. First, go to download WaHA image, double click, then go to the WaHA dashboard, select edit worker, click here and copy the API key with Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, go to n8n, paste the API key here with Ctrl+V, then close. After that, you also need to enter the API key in WaHA reply success and also WaHA reply clarification. Double click. Then, just like before, simply enter the API key in X, in the API key value field here. Also enter it in WaHA reply clarification, double click it and enter the API key here. Guys, once everything is set, the next step is to simply publish the workflow so the system can run. Here's how. Just select publish, give it the name, for example version 1, then choose publish and click get it. And now we'll try to input data from WhatsApp into Google Sheets. Now we are already on WhatsApp on our phone. We will chat with the admin level up ID number. Admin level up ID, this is the WhatsApp number that we have already connected to this WaHA. Now we will start chatting. For example, buy dinner for 50,000 rupiah using BCA, we send it, then we wait. Please pay attention to the Google Sheet, the data will be input automatically and on our WhatsApp we will also get a reply. If the data has been successfully input into the Google Sheet, guys, for example, kong kota pitip again buy gasoline 500,000 using BCA, nang kukasenga itu automatically input into the Google Sheet, guys. It can even automatically correct it. For example, if we type buy gasoline here, it will be automatically corrected, so it becomes buy gasoline in the Google Sheet. So earlier, our discussion was about how to create a data input system from WhatsApp to Google Sheets or to Microsoft Excel using n8n. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.